Hello, friends. Today, we're going to talk about something very important. Our feelings. Sometimes we feel happy, sometimes we feel sad, and sometimes we might even feel a little bit scared. It's all a part of being you, and every feeling is okay. Let's explore these feelings together with a new friend of ours. Are you ready? Let's begin. Look, this is Leo the lion. Isn't he cute with his fluffy mane? Leo is having a wonderful day at the park. The sun is shining, the birds are singing, and the flowers are blooming everywhere. Leo loves the park. He's walking along a path, looking at all the tall green trees and the big blue sky. What a beautiful day for an adventure. Oh, but wait, what's that sound? Woof, woof. Leo stops. He sees a big, loud dog running towards him. The dog isn't being mean. He just wants to play, but he's very big and very loud. Leo's heart starts beating a little faster. He feels his legs start to tremble just a tiny bit. He feels small and wants to hide. Leo is scared. It's okay to feel scared sometimes when something surprises us. Just then, Leo hears a friendly voice call his name. Leo, it's his best friend, Barnaby the bear. Barnaby is waving with a big, warm smile. As soon as Leo sees his friend, that scared feeling starts to melt away like ice cream on a hot day. A huge smile spreads across Leo's face. He waves back with all his might. Seeing his friend makes everything feel better. Now, Leo is happy with his friend Barnaby by his side. Leo doesn't feel scared of the big dog anymore. He feels strong and confident. He realizes the dog just wanted to say hello. Leo gives the dog a little nod. He feels proud of himself for facing his fear. Leo is a brave lion. Being brave doesn't mean you're never scared. It means you feel the fear, but you don't let it stop you. Now, Leo and Barnaby are playing together. They found a bright, bouncy ball and are rolling it back and forth on the soft green grass. The sun is warm, and they are giggling and laughing. Playing with a friend is so much fun. Leo feels so joyful and full of energy. What a fantastic day it turned out to be, full of new friends and happy moments. Great job listening to Leo's story. We learned about some very important feelings today. Now, let's practice saying them together. This is the fun part where you can say the word out loud with me. The first word is scared. Let's say it together. Scared. Can you think of a time you felt scared? Nah, maybe during a thunderstorm or when you saw a little spider. It's a feeling everyone has. Let's practice making a scared face. Your eyes get big, and maybe you make a little ooh with your mouth. You did it. Scared. The next word is happy. Let's say it. Happy. When do you feel happy? Is it when you get a big hug, or when you're eating your favorite snack? Sleepiness feels like sunshine inside you. Let's show our biggest happy smile. Let your whole face light up. Wonderful. Happy. And our last word is brave. Say it with me. Brave. Being brave is when you do something even if you're a little bit nervous. Just like Leo. Maybe you were brave when you tried a new food, or when you went down a big slide for the first time. Let's stand up tall and look brave. 2. Put your shoulders back and look straight ahead. You look so strong. Brave. You did an amazing job today learning about feelings. Remember, it's okay to feel scared, and it's wonderful to feel happy, and you are always, always brave. So, my question for you is, how do you feel today? Thanks for joining our adventure. See you next time.